Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'm super excited to show you how to make delicious Ugba sauce. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. So if you want to know how I came up with this delicious Ugba sauce, continue watching as I share with you guys. Alright, here are my ingredients. This is Ugba, alright, shredded oil bean, and this is momo. It's already soft, so what I did is I pre-cooked it for like 5 minutes with salt and water. Alright, so here is crayfish. I'll be grinding this crayfish. So here I have onion. I'll be taking a little of it. I'll be using one pepper because it's very effective. I'll be taking a half of seasoning cube. This is called ungo water. I don't know what it's called in your dialect. This gives that traditional kind of sauce look. Alright, so as we continue, you see the work of this ungo water. This is bunga fish. I'll be deboning it. What we need is just the fish inside. Here is palm oil and salt. So here are basically our ingredients for this delicious Ugba sauce. The first thing we'll be doing is to put some oil in a plate. Then this is the ungo water. Hope you guys are seeing the effect of the ungo water in our oil. So it helps to give it that traditional, sauce look. And it also helps to thicken the oil. So this is the work of the ungo water. So it's known as ungo water in my dialect. I don't know what you guys call it in your own dialect. So it's called ungo water in Igbo language or in Igbo dialect. So here is the chopped onions. I prefer chopped onions. So if you don't like raw chopped onions, you can also do away with the onions. So I'm stirring. So here is the crayfish. I pounded it with the pepper together, and as you guys can see, I've added it. So this is the bunga fish, well dressed. Like I said, we need just the fish. Here is the momo. Seasoning cube, then little salt, so I'm adding the shredded oil bean or Ugba. So I'm going to mix till well incorporated. So I'm adding little ungo water, more of it. So I'll keep mixing till everything is well incorporated. Guys, this delicacy is so delicious. If you're from the eastern part of Nigeria, you'll be familiar with Ugba. It's a delicacy Igbos don't miss, especially during some events organized in Igbo land. Ugba is one of the go-to recipes Igbos don't joke with. Guys, it's ready. It's a sharp recipe. Doesn't take time at all. Wow, this is it. Guys, hope you love this. So make sure you try it out. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.